So I picked up this 3 pack. I believe they were around $10. They might have been on sale on Amazon. Um, and so here I am just trying to bust open the package with the scissors. The reason I picked them up was I was looking for an inexpensive alternative to felt blocks, which are kind of expensive, but I am hoping do the same thing, or at least the cork blocks do the same as the felt. The felt is probably not as firm as the cork, but these cork blocks look like they have enough height to make them easy to grab. And that move right there was to see if I could wrap fine sandpaper, 400 grit, and super fine steel wool to use with soapy water to smooth out the tops of tables and dresser tops to give it a kind of a satiny finish.